The Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankar, has resigned from office citing health concerns and the need to prioritize medical advice. In his resignation letter addressed to the President of India, the Vice President invoked Article 67A of the Constitution, making the resignation effective immediately. He expressed a deep gratitude to President Draupadi Murmu for her unwavering support and the cordial working relationship during his tenure. The Vice President also thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Council of Ministers, calling their cooperation invaluable and saying he had learned a lot from the experience. He acknowledged the warmth and affection shown by members of parliament and said that the memories of his time in office would always be cherished. Calling it an honor to serve during a transformative period of India's economic and global rise, he said he was leaving office with pride and full confidence in the country's bright future.
I wish him the best of health because I am, in a sense, saddened because I have a very good relationship with him. In fact, I know Dhankar Saab for what, 30, 40 years. We were paired with each other, we were paired against each other in matters. And we have a bonhomie between us that is quite unique. And I always respected him and he always respected me. In fact, he has been to some family occasions of ours. So I am saddened and I hope that he is healthy and he has a long, long life and I wish him well.
अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की कामना करूंगा धनखड़ जी और धनखड़ जी इतनी जल्दी हार न माने और उपसभापति के पद पर बने रहें क्योंकि बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे हैं। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का मुद्दा है, फिर बिहार में वोटर्स का है और ट्रंप ने जिस तरह से हमारे भारत देश की अवमानना किया है, ये सारे बड़े मुद्दे हैं जिसमें धनखड़ जी की उपस्थिति बहुत जरूरी है। अब मुझे तो कुछ बड़ा अटपटा सा लग रहा है, लगता है कि कहीं इन मुद्दों को टालने के लिए तो कुछ ऐसा नहीं किया जा रहा है। मैं धनखड़ जी के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूं, उनके स्वास्थ्य की कामना करता हूं।
He was a crusader against all sorts of corruption. He didn't hesitate to state the facts and the social realities, which has now become a point of discussion in Kerala. He didn't mince words when he had to tell the truth. Even within his party, when there were different voices, he fought against corruption in all forms. He was also a person who worked with the people on issues which affected the people. So I would say that thousands of people who are communists and who are not communists would definitely miss him.
हमारे देश के उपराष्ट्रपति आदरणीय जगदीप धनखड़ जी ने इस्तीफा दे दिया और कहा है कि अपने बिगड़ते हुए स्वास्थ्य की वजह से वो इस्तीफा दे रहे हैं। देखिए, हम सबसे पहले उनके लिए ईश्वर के चरणों में प्रार्थना करेंगे कि स्वस्थ रहें। वो भले उपराष्ट्रपति रहें चाहे न रहें, लेकिन वो स्वस्थ रहें और दीर्घायु हों।